Nom nom.
What? I mean?
No, I say that to myself.
Oh, you're saying that to yourself? Why are you mean?
No, I say it to my brain.
You say it to your brain?
Yeah.
What do you say to my brain?
You're big brain.
I'm a big brain?
Yeah.
I have a big brain? Do you have a big brain? Why not?
Cool.
Because why?
Because of you. Because of I little.
You're little?
Yeah.
What am I?
Big.
When will you be big? How old do you have to be big?
In a little bit.
No, but how old do you have to be in order to be big?
80. 100.
18? I'm only 17. Am I still big?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.